Let's dive right into it. Why do so many men struggle to satisfy women? It's a question that might make some squirm, but understanding this phenomenon is key to better relationships and deeper intimacy. And the truth is, it often boils down to psychology, our brains, our conditioning, and yes, sometimes our sheer cluelessness. First off, let's address the elephant in the room: communication. Most men often think they're mind readers, but spoiler alert, they're not. Women communicate their needs and desires in ways that can be subtle, nuanced, or let's be real, sometimes downright cryptic. Here's where the first pitfall lies. A woman might say, "I'm fine," when she's really not, and men often take that at face value, leading to a disconnect. Understanding the art of active listening can transform a relationship overnight. It's about tuning in, asking questions, and, this is crucial, not jumping to solutions. For instance, when a woman shares her day, it's often an invitation to engage, not just a sharing of information. Men might need to shift their mindset from fixing to understanding. This simple change can foster deeper connections, leading to a more satisfying relationship overall. Now, let's shift gears to expectations. Men often walk into intimate situations with a set of expectations that can be wildly unrealistic. Thanks, Hollywood. Movies often portray a one-size-fits-all approach to intimacy, which is as effective as trying to use a hammer to fix a watch. Intimacy is an intricate dance, and learning the rhythm takes time and patience. This is where understanding your partner's unique preferences comes into play, getting to know what makes her tick. It's vital to have ongoing conversations about intimacy preferences. Instead of assuming what your partner wants, why not ask? Questions like, "What do you enjoy the most?" or "How can I make this better for you?" can open up a treasure trove of insights. These discussions not only enhance the intimate experience, but also deepen emotional bonds. Next up, let's talk about confidence. It's a double-edged sword. Confidence can be incredibly attractive, but overconfidence, that's a recipe for disaster. Many men mistakenly believe that showing off their skills, whether in the gym or the bedroom, will automatically translate to satisfaction. But here's the kicker. It's not just about prowess, it's about connection. A confident man who knows how to engage emotionally will always outshine the guy who's just flexing his muscles. But there's more to confidence than just being self-assured. It's about embracing imperfections and being vulnerable. A man who can admit he doesn't have all the answers or acknowledge his own insecurities can create a safe space for his partner to do the same. This mutual vulnerability can lead to a deeper understanding and a more satisfying, intimate experience. Now, you might be wondering, what about anatomy? Yes, it plays a role, but let's not get too caught up in the technicalities. Understanding anatomy is important, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Emotional intimacy often trumps physical skill. A woman who feels emotionally connected is more likely to be satisfied physically. That's right. The brain is the biggest sex organ, and tapping into that can lead to a world of difference. Here's another kicker: the power of vulnerability. It might sound counterintuitive, but showing vulnerability can be one of the most powerful tools in a man's arsenal. When men open up about their own insecurities and fears, it creates an environment of trust. This is where intimacy can flourish. It's about being real, honest, and, dare I say, human. The walls come down, and both partners can explore new depths together. So, what's the secret sauce? It's all about exploration and experimentation. Many men fear that trying something new will put them in a risky position, but guess what? Stepping outside of comfort zones fosters growth. Engaging in discussions about fantasies, preferences, and even experimenting with new experiences can spice things up. It's about creating a safe space where both partners can express their desires without judgment. When both partners are willing to explore, it opens up a world of possibilities. Let's talk about education. It's shocking how little formal education exists about intimacy and satisfaction. Many men rely on outdated information or assumptions. The good news: there are plenty of resources available. Workshops, books, and even online courses can provide valuable insights. Knowledge is power, and when men take the time to educate themselves, it shows in their relationships. Education can take many forms. Couples can attend workshops together to learn about intimacy, or they can read books that focus on emotional connection. Even watching educational videos together can spark important conversations. The goal is to create an atmosphere of learning and growth, where both partners feel empowered to improve their intimate lives together. Also, we can't ignore the role of cultural conditioning. Society often sets unrealistic standards and scripts for intimacy, which can lead to confusion and frustration. Men may feel pressured to conform to certain ideals that don't align with reality. By recognizing and challenging these societal norms, men can carve out their own paths to intimacy that feel genuine and fulfilling. And what about the importance of foreplay? This is not just a buzzword, it's essential. Many men might rush through this part, thinking it's just a prelude to the main event. But foreplay is where the magic happens. It's about building anticipation, creating intimacy, and deepening the connection. Remember, intimacy is a journey, not a race. Taking the time to explore each other's bodies and desires can lead to mind-blowing experiences. Consider the different forms that foreplay can take. It's not always about physical touch. It can involve emotional closeness, shared laughter, or even intimate conversations. The goal is to create a bond that enhances the overall experience, making every moment count. Let's also discuss the impact of stress. Modern life is chaotic and stressful, and this can take a toll on intimacy. When men are stressed, it affects their ability to connect emotionally and physically. Finding ways to manage stress, whether through exercise, meditation, or simply taking a break, can significantly improve intimacy. When both partners feel relaxed and present, the connection deepens and satisfaction increases. Stress management can be a shared activity. Couples can practice mindfulness together, take long walks, or even engage in fun activities that help them unwind. This shared focus on relaxation can enhance intimacy and create a sense of partnership that extends into their intimate life. Moving on, let's address physical health. It's a no-brainer that a healthy body contributes to a healthy sex life. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can enhance not just physical performance, but emotional well-being too. It's all interconnected. When men take care of their bodies, they're more likely to feel confident and energetic, which translates into better experiences for both partners. Another vital aspect is self-care. It's not just about physical health. Mental and emotional self-care are equally important. Men should prioritize their mental well-being by engaging in activities that bring them joy and fulfillment. This holistic approach to health can lead to more satisfying, intimate experiences. Now, let's touch on the role of emotional intelligence. This is a game changer. Men who develop emotional intelligence are more attuned to their partner's feelings and needs. They are better equipped to navigate the complexities of intimacy and can respond more effectively to their partner's cues. Emotional intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It's a skill that can be cultivated and can lead to greater satisfaction for both partners. Understanding emotional cues is crucial. Men who can read their partner's body language and emotional state during intimacy are more likely to respond appropriately, fostering a deeper connection. This can lead to more fulfilling experiences and a stronger bond. Another aspect to consider is the power of feedback. Many men shy away from asking for feedback, fearing it will lead to awkward conversations. But here's the truth. Feedback is essential for growth. Constructive conversations about what works and what doesn't can lead to improved intimacy. It's about creating a culture of openness and honesty, where both partners feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings. Engaging in regular check-ins can normalize the conversation about intimacy. It's not just about a one-time discussion, it's an ongoing dialogue that evolves with the relationship. By fostering an environment where both partners feel safe to express their desires, men can enhance the intimacy experience greatly. And let's not forget about the importance of patience. Intimacy doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It's a process that evolves and develops over time. Men who understand this are more likely to foster deeper connections and create lasting satisfaction. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fulfilling, intimate relationship. Patience also means understanding that both partners may have different paces when it comes to intimacy. Respecting each other's boundaries and comfort levels is crucial. This mutual respect fosters a deeper bond and can lead to more satisfying experiences. Spontaneity doesn't have to be grand gestures. It can be as simple as changing the setting or trying a new activity together. Even something as simple as cooking a meal together or having an impromptu picnic can break the monotony and create new intimate moments. The key is to keep the relationship dynamic and engaging, allowing both partners to discover new layers of each other. And speaking of discovery, let's delve into the importance of curiosity. Developing a genuine curiosity about your partner can enhance intimacy significantly. Ask questions about her experiences, dreams, and desires. Show interest in her thoughts and feelings, and don't be afraid to share your own. This curiosity not only deepens emotional connection, but also leads to a more fulfilling, intimate life. When curiosity is at the forefront, intimacy becomes a journey rather than a destination. Both partners can explore each other's likes and dislikes, fantasies, and even vulnerabilities. This exploration can unlock new avenues of satisfaction that neither partner may have considered before. Moreover, the power of humor can't be overlooked. Laughter is a fantastic way to build intimacy. It breaks down barriers and creates a relaxed atmosphere. When couples can laugh together, it fosters a sense of camaraderie that enhances emotional connection. So don't shy away from playful teasing or sharing funny stories. Keep the mood light and joyful. After all, intimacy should be fun. Furthermore, let's talk about setting the mood. The environment plays a crucial role in intimacy. Creating a comfortable, inviting space can significantly enhance the experience. This can include dim lighting, soft music, or even the scent of candles. When both partners feel relaxed and comfortable in their surroundings, it sets the stage for deeper connections and more satisfying experiences. Also, consider the impact of technology. In today's digital age, it's easy to become distracted by our devices. Make a conscious effort to unplug during intimate moments. Set aside your phones and focus on each other. This undivided attention can create a more profound experience and signal to your partner that they are your priority. Let's not forget the role of self-awareness. Men who understand their own bodies and what makes them feel good are often better at connecting with their partners. It's about being in tune with oneself, which can lead to more authentic interactions. This self-awareness can be cultivated through personal exploration and reflection, allowing men to communicate their needs and desires more effectively. Additionally, the importance of aftercare should not be overlooked. After an intimate encounter, taking the time to reconnect can be incredibly beneficial. This can involve cuddling, talking, or simply lying together in silence. These moments of connection can solidify the bond and create a sense of security, making both partners feel valued and appreciated. And let's consider the role of shared experiences. Engaging in activities together outside of the bedroom can enhance intimacy. Whether it's traveling, taking a class, or simply enjoying a hobby together, these shared experiences build a foundation of trust and connection. The more you enjoy life together, the more likely you are to carry that joy into your intimate moments. Moreover, the importance of setting intentions can transform intimacy. Before engaging in intimate moments, take a moment to set intentions together. Discuss what you hope to achieve during that time, whether it's simply to enjoy each other's company or to explore something new. This shared focus can enhance the experience and build anticipation. In addition, let's not underestimate the power of touch. Physical affection outside of intimacy, like holding hands, hugging, or gentle caresses, can create a sense of closeness that enhances emotional bonds. Regular physical affection reinforces the emotional connection and can lead to more satisfying, intimate encounters. Finally, let's address the idea of acceptance. Both partners should embrace each other's flaws and imperfections. No one is perfect, and the more you can accept each other as you are, the more authentic the connection becomes. This acceptance fosters a safe space where both partners can truly be themselves, leading to deeper intimacy and satisfaction. In conclusion, satisfying intimacy is a complex, multifaceted journey that requires effort, communication, and emotional connection. By understanding the psychological aspects at play and embracing vulnerability, exploration, curiosity, and education, men can significantly improve their ability to satisfy their partners. It's time to step up, break down those barriers, and cultivate relationships that thrive on intimacy and connection. Remember, intimacy is not just about the physical, it's about the emotional, the mental, and the spiritual connection that brings two people closer together. So, dive deep, engage fully, and watch as your relationships transform into something truly extraordinary.